Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I have created here a lovely cute little two-piece set, and if you already know me, I love to make quick and simple projects. And if you are new to paper crafting or Happy Mail, this is a great little way to get you started. It's also a great little crafting project on a budget, so you don't need any tools, so you don't need a scoreboard or anything like that, and there is no measuring. I did use one 6x8 paper to make this cute little coordinating two-piece set. I'm also going to show you a couple of different ways that you could make this using the same method as well. So this is the first style that I'm going to show you how you can make. Really cute. Again, it just a couple of simple folding, one piece of 6x8 paper, and you get to make this cute little two-piece coordinating set. And this is a cute little pocket, so you can use this pocket to store some little word sentiments, some little embellishments, and it's got a nice little opening there, so you can add a few pieces in there. And I just put a little cut apart in here just so I can show you the little pocket. And then this is one of the methods that I'm going to show you. I just place a simple cut apart in the front, and it opens up this way to a cute little side pocket where again you can add some tags, some die cuts or ephemera. I just cut this out and fold this in half so you could make a little note card as well, and that can just fit in there. And then on this side is a top pocket. Again, another place where you can add a note card, some large tags. So it's just another little fun way to add some fun stuff inside. And the openings are fairly enough space there for you to put a few fun stuff. And then you can have some fun embellishing this part. Or you can add another strip of scrap paper to create another little tuck pocket in the front. And I think it's a great little flat mail idea for you as well. So this is just a cute little gift to give to somebody. And this is the other method that I'm going to show you. Again, this also has the coordinating little pocket. Isn't it just so cute? And it's just another little cut apart that I've just placed inside. Just so cute. And then this is the double pocket insert. It uses the same way as this, it's just another way. And then I've got here a little paper clip with a tassel dangle that I've made just to hold this little front flip part. And this pocket, actually this whole project idea was from another pocket that I had made, and I had done a video not too long ago sharing some of my Etsy items that I'm going to add to my store for those that do some junk journaling or into shabby style projects. And this was one of the pockets, and I used a book page to make this double pocket. And I thought I'll make the same one just using some fun scrapbook paper, but you can also make it using a book page as well. So if you're into using book pages or music sheets or your digital prints, you can make it using that sort of paper as well. So this is how I got the idea from, and I made this one using the papers, which I'll just show you in case you're wanting to know. This whole paper collection for the projects, I use the Pebbles 6x8 paper pad. It's the Lovely Moments papers, and it's really pretty. Just love all the prints that are inside this pad. So that's what I used. But this has that little flip page as well. So I didn't do anything to the front here. I thought the paper was too pretty. But you can add a little teeny envelope here and stick it on the front to add some little maybe punched out shapes using your paper punches. And then you can close it up like that. And then there is a pocket up here. Then on the back is another pocket as well. And again, it's a nice, good size in there to open up. And that just fits in there like that. So that's the little coordinating two-piece set with that one, and this is the other one. So I'm going to show you how you can make these ones with the different styles. And all you need, you want to just grab one piece of 6x8 paper, and then you can decide how you want to create your two-piece set. I'm just going to grab this paper from a different paper pad. And all you're going to do is you're going to firstly fold it in half. At the moment, just fold it in half, whichever way you like. And if you do have a bone folder, you can give it a good press. If you don't, just press it really well with a ruler if you like. And then we're going to fold it again the other way. So folding that in half one way and then folding it in half the other way. So you have your two fold lines. If you're using double-sided paper, you want to decide which side you want showing for, say, this part here. And then that would mean you want to place your paper upside down. And so in this case, I have single-sided paper, so this will be the cover. So I'm going to place it facing down. We are going to remove this left panel out, and so we're going to cut along here and cut along here to remove this little piece. And when you want to cut this out, you want to cut on the left side of that fold line, not along the fold line. Just go over a little bit to the left. That way it's just easy to fold over when we make the fold. And then this side. You'll see what I mean when I fold. Just trying to get that one out. Okay, so that little piece, we're going to put that to the side, and that's going to be the little pocket. But let's make, we'll make this one first. Well, I'm not going to make it. I'll show you how to make this one, but I'm actually going to make it this way. So if you want to do it this way with a little side pocket, what you're going to do here, you are going to bring this piece up. And then this piece will go over this way. And then before you do anything, you want to decide if you want to place a thumb notch here like I have. And you want to punch that little little notch out first. So it will be this panel. You grab your circle punch and you're going to punch that out. And then when you bring it over, you'll have that little thumb notch. And then you're going to glue this side down and glue this side down. And you will then create yourself the top pocket. And then you'll be left with this flip cover, which will be this side here. And here you can just leave it like this and just have it as a little flip page with a pocket. And that's pretty much all there is to that. Or you can then add a little side tuck pocket like I have here. And I think it's cute because then you have this little piece here showing, which I like. And all you do is you're just going to fold it over, I'd say about 1/2 inch or wherever you like to fold it over. And you're just going to fold that over like that and press it down. And then you will place some glue up here and down here. And that will create your little side tuck pocket in there. And then that will give you your little front flip with a side pocket, and then you have your top pocket. So that is one way or two ways. It's either that way or this way. So they're the two ways you could do that. And then I'll go ahead and show you the pocket in a minute. But to do, I'm going to show you how to make it with this way, because I do like this one as well. So what you're going to do, we're going to bring this back out to how we had it before. And what you're going to do here, we're going to bring this side over that way, and then this one will go up this way, and then this one will get folded down, and then you're going to have that little front tuck pocket. But we need to glue this one down first. So I'm just going to cut this out a little bit more, just so that I could fold it up a bit. I didn't trim mine where I needed before. So you might need to just check your paper when you fold it to make sure that this part will fold over nicely. And now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create the thumb notch here. And I'm just going to grab my circle punch. Sorry about the barking. If you can hear my little baby boy barking, he's just under my window outside enjoying the sun. And we have some lizards out now because we're starting the month of spring, so all the little lizards are coming out, and he's just trying to chase them around. So we have this part here, so I'm just going to punch a little thumb notch just like that, so that will create that, and I'm going to glue this side down. So all I'm going to do is just glue along here. And press that down, and that will give me that top pocket. And then with this one, we're going to now bring this up. So we bring this up, and we're going to fold this down and just leaving a little bit so that you can still peek through and see the pattern. So you can fold it down as far as you want. You can go all the way down if you like. I like to just go about maybe halfway. So just about there. And now you've got yourself a little flip page. And because this is single-sided paper, this was also single-sided paper, I just grabbed some of the papers from that same paper pad and cut out a strip to fit this white background or the white backing part of the paper, and then I just stuck it to the front so that it will decorate the pocket more nicer. So you can do that, and once you've done that, you're just going to then open this out, and all we're going to do is place some glue to this side and then also on the other side. And we just press that down. And once that's all dry, you've got yourself another front pocket. My glue just needs a few more seconds to dry. And that's pretty much all there is to that to make this pocket. So it's really cute. And I did use the little paper clip to close the little flip part here. So I've done that, but you can just add a belly band if you wanted to keep it all closed. So that is exactly the same way as how I'd made this one. So now we're going to make the coordinating cute little tiny pocket to go with the little piece that we had just made. So with this one, you will need a scoreboard. But if you don't have a scoreboard, you could also just fold it freely if you wanted to, and just use a pencil to mark this one. But to make this one, you don't need the scoreboard. So what you do here, and you probably want to use non-directional paper as well with the print, so that way your print's not upside down. So what we're going to do, we're going to line it on the 3-inch side, which is the shorter part of the paper. And you're going to score at 3/8 of an inch on both sides. And that little mark is the little mark just before the 1/2 inch mark. And there's a little mark there. So it's a 3/8 of an inch. I'm just going to turn it this way and mark that as well at 3/8 of an inch. So now you have your two markings. We're going to now line it on the 4-inch side, and we're going to score at 1 1/4 inches. So if you don't have a scoreboard, just use a pencil and mark 2 even sides, and then down here, and then maybe just use a ruler to lightly mark it. And you're not going to see that part if you're going to use a ruler. And then again, you must make a mark at 1 1/4 of an inch up there and down here, and just draw a line. And what we're going to do, we're just going to angle cut those two sides where we made that score line down here, and then we're going to do the same on this side. Just cut there and there, so it's like a little triangle. So that's part's done. I'm just going to grab a little corner rounder punch. If you don't have one of these, it doesn't matter. You don't need to do that. So that's part's done. We're going to fold these two little pieces over. And we're going to bring this one up. And then you've got these two little pieces. They just get wrapped around the back, and that will hold your pocket in place. And then we'll just glue that down so that it will hold your pocket. So there's your pocket. Turn it around, and then I'm just going to glue along here and here, and that will secure your pocket in place. And there you have your coordinating pocket insert with another cute little tiny pocket, or if you wanted to make it with a little flip folder, I had shown you how to make that as well. So a couple of little ideas for you, and different ways or different methods on how you can make your little Happy Mail gift set. I hope this was a fun little project for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.